Good evening, friends. Happy Tuesday. President Biden is being urged by many lawmakers and economists to resolve rising inflation as quickly as possible. Guaranteed income programs are beginning in many states and cities, as millions of Americans are struggling to make ends meet. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how some Americans are eligible to receive monthly relief payments from their local government. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. President Biden tried to put a positive spin on soaring inflation, saying that disposable income has increased due to government aid, but not mentioning that wages are actually losing purchasing power due to spiking prices. Biden told reporters, "After years of wages being flat or falling behind, we're also seeing something else. Things are getting better for American workers. Higher wages, better benefits with flexible schedules. Balance sheets for American families are better as well. Savings are up. Home equity is up. Credit card balances are down." The president continued and stated, "America is the only major economy, the only one in the world, where the economy is bigger today and families have more money in the bank today than before the crisis hit. That's even after accounting for inflation." But according to the New York Post, the value of money earned by workers, without including government subsidies, is down this year due to the highest inflation in 31 years. The Bureau of Labor Statistics said earlier this month that although wages have increased, they are not rising fast enough. Inflation took an even bigger bite out of wages when measured over a 12-month period. The Labor Department's Consumer Price Index jumped 6.2% in October from a year earlier, erasing any wage gains and reflecting the highest bump since 1990 in the cost of goods and services. Biden once again was able to argue that real disposable income is up to subsidies included in a $1.9 trillion stimulus relief bill that he passed back in March. The bill temporarily boosted the child tax credit, which formerly was $2,000 per child before being bumped up to $3,000, or $3,600 for kids up to 6 years old.
Good afternoon. This week, millions of Americans, including some of the people in this room, are likely to be hitting the road, reuniting with their loved ones in cities and towns all across America to celebrate Thanksgiving. As they do, I want to take a moment to talk about the economy, both the progress we made and the challenges we have to face. We made historic progress over the last 10 months. Unemployment is down to 4.6%, 2 years faster than everyone expected. When we started this job, it was over 14%. Wages are rising. Disposable income is up. More people are starting small businesses than ever before. And our economy has created a record 5.6 million jobs since I became president on January 20th. There's a lot we can be proud of and a lot we can build on for the future. But we still face challenges in our economy. Disruptions related to the pandemic have caused challenges in our supply chain, which have sparked concern about shortages and contributed to higher prices. Moms and dads are worried, asking, will there be enough food we can afford to buy for the holidays? Will we be able to get Christmas presents to the kids on time? And if so, will they cost me an arm and a leg? I told you before that we're going to take action on these problems. That's exactly what we're doing. It starts with my Port Action Plan, a proactive 3-month effort to invest in our ports and relieve bottlenecks. 40% of the goods, for example, that come into this country on the West Coast come through 2 ports, Los Angeles and Long Beach. To help ease the congestion at these ports, I brought together labor and management and asked them to step up and cooperate. To move from operating the ports at 40 hours a week at those ports.
Rising inflation and many other reasons has contributed to Biden's plummeting approval ratings. So friends, what are your thoughts on inflation right now? Are you concerned? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is meatloaf. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's 3 $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like my videos, and don't forget to comment below the keyword from each video. The city of Atlanta may soon find out how a monthly $800 check could affect people's lives, as it tests 2 guaranteed income pilot programs, including one of the largest such tests of the programs in the South. The initiative, led by City Council member Amir Farrakhan, is at the tail end of fundraising cash from local and national donors and is scheduled to start its work next year. Unlike universal basic income, which gives cash to everyone, guaranteed income programs focus on specific groups of people. The largest guaranteed basic income pilot program in the country was approved by the Los Angeles City Council recently, expanding the city's initial $6 million investment to nearly $40 million to benefit 3,000 residents of Los Angeles. The Los Angeles Economic Assistance Pilot Program will give $1,000 in direct cash payments to families each month for 12 months. The no-strings-attached payments will be given to families who were greatly impacted by this crisis and are still living in poverty. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors approved a similar program earlier this year, launching a pilot guaranteed income program that would pay $1,000 a month to 1,000 residents for at least 3 years. About $27.4 million was approved for the program citywide. The City Council also approved nearly $4 million for research and design services related to the program. The City of Chicago has also approved a guaranteed basic income program for some of its poorest residents. The idea of basic income has been around for a while, but the crisis brought it a lot of new attention. Mayor Lightfoot of Chicago told reporters having extra income consistently for some time can make the difference for the working poor, who are living on the cusp of financial ruin. That is why $35 billion of the $157 million that we've been investing in Family Assistance Program will fund the largest pilot program in the country, providing $500 a month to 5,000 families with cash assistance to lift them up out of poverty. So friends, do you agree with these new guaranteed pilot income programs? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Well friends, that's the end of the video for this Tuesday evening. Thank you so much for joining me here today. This Friday, I will be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like my videos, and also comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Tuesday.